As you can hear, guys, those of my friends can wait even a second to come for the Ramadan month, which they are practicing some of the nashik to apply for the at the Ramadan. So some of the tips to be prepared for the Ramadan is fasting. Fasting at least once a week. For instance, we have Monday and Thursday sunat fasting. So start right now, because when the Ramadan comes, you will not be shocked because of not eating for a half day like that. Okay? Ensure that you are well prepared. For instance, regularly read Al Quran, fasting, do some charity start from now so that you can be useful at Ramadan month. That's all. Aftah.